The PS command, a visual guide. Hey there, fellow Linux enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic to explore, the PS command. Get ready for a visual guide that will demystify this powerful command and take your Linux skills to the next level. The PS command, short for process status, is used to display information about currently running processes on your Linux system. It provides a wealth of data to help you monitor and manage processes efficiently. Let's start with the basics. To use the PS command, open your terminal and simply type PS. This will display a list of processes running in your current terminal session. As you can see, it provides valuable information such as the process ID, PID, terminal associated with the process. Now let's dive deeper into the options and flags available with the PS command. By using various flags, you can customize the output to suit your specific needs. For example, the EF flag displays a detailed list of all processes on the system, while the AUX flag shows additional information like the username and resource utilization. To list all processes by user, use the U option. This supports the user ID or name. To list all processes by process number, use the P option. This selects the processes whose numbers match the list provided to the P option. To list all processes by executable name, use the C option. This selects the processes whose executables match the list of executables given to the C option. To show a process hierarchy or tree, use the H option. This outputs a process tree. Or forest option to display it in ASCII format. How to just get the process ID? A common task is to find the process ID of a running process. Like many things in Unix, this can be achieved in a number of ways. In the examples above, the PS command can look for processes by user, group, or executable name. The PS can also be piped to grep to search for arbitrary items. That wraps up our visual guide to the PS command. With its extensive capabilities, the PS command becomes an invaluable tool in your Linux arsenal. Explore the various options and flags, experiment with different filters, and make the most of this powerful command. Thanks for watching and happy Linuxing!